How to set up Circle Webcam on OBS. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipan Besnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can set up Circle Webcam on OBS. Now, the process itself is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. In order to add a Circle Webcam, you'll have to first need to create a filter. Now to create it, you can simply head over to your browser and head over to Canva. So you want to open up any browser. On your browser now, you can simply head into Canva, and once on Canva page, you want to click on create a design. You want to select the option here that says presentation, that is 16:9. You want to click on it, and now it'll be white. As you can see, the blank will be white, so you want to change the color. You want to click on background color option, and then you want to select black, and you want to make sure it's black. Once you have turned it black, you want to head into elements section. You want to head into shapes option, and you want to select circle. Now remember, you can select any shape that you want for your webcam, but since we want circle here, you want to select circle, and then you want to change its color. So you can see the color option at the top, and then you want to set it white. Then you want to increase the size, the circle, the webcam circle that you wish the size to be, so you can set it up, and then you want it to be in the middle. And once you're sure it's in the middle, you want to go ahead and click on share option there, and then click on download option. Now remember, it will be on PDF, so you want to click on it, and then you want to set it to PNG, and then you want to simply go ahead and download it. Now once you download it, I won't download it since I already have the file. So once you download it, now you want to head back to your OBS studio. Once on OBS, you want to head into the scenes option here at the bottom, and then you want to go ahead and you want to click on the plus icon. Now I'll just delete this previous one, and then you want to click on plus option there, and then click on, you want to rename it. I'll just rename this circle, and then click on OK. And now once you have done so, you want to add in sources, your webcam, or you want to, whether you have set up your different device for your webcam and such. So you want to click on the plus icon there at the bottom below sources, and then you want to select video capture device, and then you want to tap on create new if you are going to be making new, or you can click on add existing and you can select an existing one. So in my case, I don't have any webcam set up, so I'll just be using the image as the guide here. I'll just be selecting the image for the tutorial here for currently. So I'll just be selecting any image right here. I'll just be heading into gallery, and I'll select this screenshot right here, as you can see, and then click on OK. And if you have selected your video capturing device, your camera should pop up here, your interface. In my case, since I've used gallery, you can see the gallery. Now once you have added the source, what you want to do is you can simply go ahead and select the circle filter, that the scenes that you added previously. You want to make sure it's highlighted, right click on it, and then you want to select filters option. Once you select filters, as you can see, no effect filters currently added, but you want to click on the plus icon at the bottom, and then you want to select the option that says here image mask or blend. So you want to click on it. You can rename it. Now I'll just be renaming it this way, and then click on OK. Once you do so, you can see you'll get this path option here. You don't want to change any settings here. You can simply click on browse option, and then you can simply go ahead and select the picture that you previously downloaded from Canva, the filter. You want to open it up, and now you can see here the rest will be blank and only the circle will be shown. If I click on close here, now you can see your webcam will go blank and only the circle will be added right up here, which will be used for your streaming. So once you do so, you can go ahead and you can either cut or fade. You can change the settings here. You want to make sure it's blank, and then you can go ahead and you want to start streaming, or you can start recording. So this way you can set up circle filter for OBS. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.